Valentine's Day is just around the corner and it's time to start thinking about how you want to show your love to that special someone. But, before you reach for your wallet, let's take a moment to consider the cost of love. According to the National Retail Federation, Valentine's Day spending is expected to reach a whopping $25.9 billion this year, with the average American spending $192.80 on gifts for friends, loved ones, and even co-workers. And for those in a relationship, the cost jumps to an average of $187 for their significant other. But here's the catch. With inflation on the rise, and credit card debt at record highs, splurging on Valentine's Day could cost you more than just a pretty penny. A dozen roses, for example, can set you back around $100, while a heart-shaped box of chocolates and jewelry are also likely to have a markup. Unfortunately, 27% of couples said they will need to rely on credit cards to cover Valentine's Day costs, and it will take them at least 2 months to pay it off. But don't worry, love doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. There are so many creative and thoughtful things you can do to show your love that won't break the bank. From cooking a romantic dinner at home to taking a walk in the park or writing love letters to each other, the options are endless. As LendingTree's chief credit analyst Matt Schultz says, it's always important to be careful about what you're spending on, especially when interest rates are as high as they've ever been. Valentine's Day spending is expected to reach new heights this year, but don't let that get you down. There are plenty of creative and budget-friendly ways to make your sweetie feel loved without breaking the bank. Think outside the box. Traditional gifts like flowers and jewelry tend to soar in price close to the holiday, but that doesn't mean you can't still show your affection. Instead of a bouquet of red roses, opt for a colorful arrangement featuring your sweetie's favorite blooms, or skip the heart-shaped pendant and choose a special piece with a birthstone instead. Date night, home edition, forego the expensive dinner out and make a special meal at home. Plan the menu, shop, and cook together for a less expensive but more meaningful evening. Postpone the party. If you're looking to save some dough, consider celebrating the following weekend. Starting February 15, everything related to Valentine's Day will be significantly marked down. Just keep in mind, the selection may be smaller, so if there's something specific you're shopping for, it may not pay to wait. DIY gift package. Instead of an entire bouquet, choose 1 or 2 roses and pair them with a treat you know your Valentine will love, whether it's their favorite candy or a savory snack. Embrace the adorably awkward. Give a nod to your middle school days and pair a stuffed animal with a personalized Spotify playlist. It's a budget-friendly way to show your feelings without going over the top, especially for new couples who may be uncomfortable with grand gestures. I hope these tips have inspired you to get creative and have a memorable Valentine's Day without breaking the bank. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Do a DIY date night, postpone your celebration, create your own gift package, or embrace the middle school aesthetic. Remember, it's the thought that counts, not the price tag. Happy Valentine's Day, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it.